One of the things that you talk about a lot here at Eurospark is some of the used products. If someone can't venture into the new side, then you can supply something used, can't you? Quite a big part of your business. If we walk around and just quickly look at some of these machines, can you maybe just talk us through some of the ones that we have here?
Okay, so this is probably the most popular pre-owned machine that we see. We often get them in part exchange when we supply a new machine. This machine might have been in the company since it had been set up back in the day. But because of the compact footprint, we can still support the machines. We have a good number of spare PC boards for them, and also the expertise to diagnose faults and keep the machines going.
So at Eurospark here, you will take part exchanges of machines, and you will then refurbish the machines and then supply them back into the market. So if someone can't stretch to a new machine, they could be an option here for you as well. And by the looks of what you've got in here, if we have a quick walk round, there's quite a few options. I mean, here, a Spark machine, which doesn't look too old. What are we talking here, roughly, age-wise, do you think?
This machine might be 20 years old.
Really? 20 years old? Come back here and you put a warranty on them once they're done?
We put a warranty on the Joe Mars machines because we can, for the most part, still support them even though they are 20-year-old machines.
Yep. Okay. Let's move this way. Another old model here. Another old Herco. Here to something which again, another Spark small, quite a diddy machine. This one, isn't it?
Again, being a one-piece machine with the generator sort of built on the side and the dielectric tank in the base. Where space is a premium, this machine can fit quite nicely in a very small area and still offer.
Would you find that the sparking time is a lot less with these? Would you find that the finished part that comes off is a lot more is inferior? What's the differences between old and new?
To be honest with you, I would say that the actual finish that you can achieve is not that different. You perhaps need a bit more expertise or a bit more of a general EDM knowledge to be able to get onto these machines versus the fuzzy logic.
So they've taken the headache out of it. Now remember, all these machines we see in here are available for sale. Lots of used machines here, pre-owned machines as we should say from Eurospark. Something like this as well, Ryan. It's not just your own brand that you bring in, it's others as well, isn't it? You've got the expertise to be able to refurbish this type of machine too.
If it helps to achieve a machine sale and if it helps our customers by taking away their old unwanted machinery, then we'll do what we can to support them in that way.
So there you have it. If you're looking for a Spark solution or a wire cut machine, an EDM drill, then Eurospark can offer the machines you've seen here on the used side, but also on the new technology as well. Great to see this facility here. And actually, when you look at the business from the outside, you might not realise what expertise and what equipment and what support they can offer you here from their headquarters in Leicestershire.